Question number 31. 3/5 of the boys and 4/7 of the girls of a primary school participated in the annual sports. If the number of participating students is 203, out of which 99 are which one? Boys. What is the total number of students in the primary school or not? First of all, how many students are participating? 203. In that, how many students are boys? 99. Out of 203, 99 are which one? Boys. What are the remaining members? 104. 104 are girls or boys? Girls. But in boys, how much fraction are participated? 3/5. Means out of 5 parts boys, 3 parts are participated. What are the 3 parts value? 99. Every 1 part 33. 5 parts 165 or not? Means total boys are 165. And girls, how much fraction are participated? 4/7. Out of 7 parts, how many parts are participated? 4 parts. What are the 4 parts value? 104. Every 1 part 26. How many parts we need? 7 parts. 7 into 26 or not? How much? 182 or not? Only boys are 165, only girls are 182. Both are adding, it is 347. Next question number 32. The perimeters of 2 squares 40 centimeters and 32 centimeters. What is the perimeter of a third square whose area is equal to the difference of the areas of 2 squares or not? Okay. What is the perimeter of a square? 4a or not? What is the 4a value? First one 40. Means a1 value 10 or not? Next, second square perimeter is how much? 32. Then side of a second square 8 or not? Okay. 4a1 40 means a1 value 10. 4a2 32 means a2 value or 8. What is the question here? Perimeter of a third square whose area is equal to the which one? Difference of the areas of 2 squares or not? Area of a square means a square. What is the a1 value? a1 10. a1 square 100. What is the a2 value? 8. Then a2 square 64. What is the difference between these two areas? 36. 36 equal to a3 square or a3? a3 square. a3 square 36 means a3 value 6 or not? What is the question here? Perimeter of a third square. Then answer 4a3. How much? 24. Which option? Fifth one. Next question number 33. A tap can fill a tank completely in how many hours? 4 hours. After half of the tank is filled, one more similar tap is open. What is the total time taken to fill the tank completely or not? Okay. And here total tank are split into 2 half parts or not? First half part, second half part. First half part are filled by only 1 pipe or 2 pipes? 1 pipe. But second half part are filled by 2 pipes or not? 2 pipes or only 1 pipe? 2 pipes. A pipe can fill the tank in how many hours? 4 hours. Means total tank are filled by a tank in how many hours? 4 hours. Then half tank are filled by that pipe. How much time are taken? 2 hours or not? Okay. Half tank are filled by 1 pipe. How much time are taken? 2 hours. With the same efficiency, 2 pipes are working, but remaining half tank are filled by 2 pipes. How much time are taken? 1 hour or not? Because efficiency will be double or triple? Double. First half tank, how many pipes are working? 1 pipe. But second half tank, how many pipes are working? 2 pipes. Means efficiency will be double or triple? Double. Efficiency double means time will be half or not? What is the inverse of 2? 1/2 or not? Efficiency ratio 1:2 means time ratio are 2:1. Okay. First half tank are filled 2 hours. Next half tank are filled by 2 pipes. How many hours? 1 hour. Total time is how many hours? 3 hours or not? Next, Question number 34. Two pipes means more efficiency or less efficiency? More efficiency. Obviously time will be less or more? Less. Means second case time compared to first case time, obviously half time are taken or double time are taken? Half time. Next question number 34. 4 men can do a piece of work in how many days? 12 days. 6 women can do the same piece of work in 10 days. 12 children in 5 days. In how many days can a man and a woman and a children working together can complete the same piece of work or different work? Same piece of work. First case, 4 men can complete the work in how many days? 12 days. What is the 1 man 1 day work? 1 by 4 into 12 or not? 1 by 4 into 12. Next, 6 women can do the whole work in how many days? 10 days. What is the 1 woman 1 day work? 1 by 6 into 10. Next, 12 children can complete the whole work in 5 days means what is the 1 children 1 day work? 1 by 12 into 5 or not? Okay. But here how many days a man, woman and children? Suppose man is working for T days means woman also working for T days. Children also working for T days or not? 1 man T days work. Next 1 woman T days work. And 1 children T days work or not? All these are adding, we are get the total work or remaining work? Total work. What is the total work? 1 or not? Okay. Solving this one, we are get the T value or not? 4 into 12, 48. 6 into 10, 60. 12 into 5, 60. 48, 60, 60. LCM, 240 or not? 60, 48, 60. LCM, 240 or not? 60 how many times? 60 how many times? 4 times. 60 how many times? 4 times. 48 how many times? 5 times or not? 240 by 13 or not? 240 by 13. 240 by 13 means which option? First option. Denominator must be 13 or not? How many options? Only one or not? Next question number 35. If 13 years ago a father was 5 times as old as his son at that time, at present the father age is 11 years more than the 2 times his son's age. What is the sum of their present ages or not? First of all, 13 years ago father was 5 times of his son at that time or not? Okay. Suppose 13 years back son was how many parts? 1 part. At present 1 part plus 13 or not? Next, father how many parts 13 years back? 5 parts. At present 5 parts plus 13 or not? Then present father, present son. But father age is 11 years more than the 2 times of his son's age or not? What is the 2 times of son's age? 2 into 1 part plus 13 or not? Compared to that one, how many years are more? 11 years more. Difference it is equal to 11 years or not? Okay. What is the difference between 5 parts and 2 parts? 3 parts. 2 into 13, 26. Minus 26 becomes plus 26. Minus 26 plus 13 or not? What is the difference? Minus 13. Again it will become plus 13. 11 plus 13, 24. 3 parts 24 means every 1 part are 8. What is the question here? Sum of their present ages. What is the 5 parts value? 40. 1 part value 8 means 48. 48 plus 26 or not? 74. 5 parts plus 13, 1 part plus 13 or not? 5 parts plus 1 part, 6 parts. What is the 6 parts value? 48. Again how many years we are adding? 26 years or not? Then answer 74. A trader sold an article at a loss of how much percent? 20%. At the selling price being 120 rupees or 20 rupees or more, you would have earned a profit of how much percent? 10%. What was the cost price of the article? 20% loss means what is the selling price? 80%. 10% profit means selling price are 110%. What is the difference in percentage? 30%. But difference in selling price 120 rupees or not. Percentage wise difference 30%, but value wise difference are 120. But we required which one? Cost price. How much percent we need? 100%. Then answer 400. Next 37. ABC started a business together. The respective ratio of the investments of A and B was 3:5 and that of B and C was 15:17. All of them invested for equal period of time. If the total profit earned by them was 67,650. What the A share or B share? A share. Here how many ratios are given? 2 ratios. But how many persons relation are given? 3 persons are not. Then equate the which one parts? B parts or A parts? B parts. What are the B parts in first one? 5. Second one 15. What is the LCM of 5 comma 15? 15. 5 how many times? 3 times. Means A share is 9 parts, B share are 15 parts and C share are 17 parts are not. What is the sum of the parts? 41 parts. What is the 41 parts value? 67,650. We required which one share? 9 parts or not? Okay. How many options are 9 multiples? First option, second option, third option, no, fourth option, fifth option. That is the answer. We required 9 parts means 9 multiple or not? Next question number 38. Tarun traveling at a speed of 40 km per hour by his car reaches his office on time from his home. But when he travels at a speed of 35 km per hour, he reaches office 15 minutes or late. Find the distance between his home and office or not. We required which one? Distance value or not? Or the distance meaning speed into time or speed plus time? Speed into time. Okay. What is the speed in first case? 40. What is the speed in second one? 35. Means this one are product of the speeds or sum of the speeds? Product of the speeds. What is the difference of the speeds? 5 or not? First case it will be on time, but second case how many minutes are late? 15 minutes late. Means time difference are how many minutes? 15 minutes. Then we return 15 by 60 or not? Product of the speeds by difference of the speeds into time difference or not? That is equal to distance value or not? Okay. 15 almost how many times? 60? 4 times. 5 4 the how much? 20. 20 how many times? 40. 2 times. Then answer 70. Product of the speeds or sum of the speeds? Product of the speeds by difference of the speeds into time difference. Next question number 39. A sum of 1700 is distributed among A, B, C in such a way. A gets as much as B and C together. B gets 250 more than the C value or not. Here A value is sum of the which one? B and C. But B value is 250 more than the which one? C value. Suppose C value we return C. Then B value are C plus 250 or not? C plus 250. Then A value are 2C plus 250 or not? 2C plus 250. What is the sum of these values? 4C plus 500. It is equal to how much value? 1700 or not? 4C plus 500, 1700 means 4C value 1200. C value 300 or not? But we required which one share? A share. Then A share are 850 or not? 600 plus 250 how much? 850 or not? We required A share or B share? A share. Next question number 40. Children, adults, total value. By using reverse method or not? In a show, the total amount received after selling 40 tickets was 1050. If children were charged for 20 rupees per ticket and adults were charged for 30 rupees per ticket, how many children attended the show? Okay, this type of questions, how many methods we are using? 3 methods. First one, x 40 minus x. Second one, allegation. Third one, reverse method or not? Okay, which one is comfortable? Reverse method or not? Okay, we required which one? Number of children. Number of children means which one data we are taken? Adults or not? Every adult is how many rupees? 30 or not? 40 into 30. 1200 or not? And 1050. 1200 and 1050. What is the difference? 150 by 30 minus 20 or 30 plus 20? 30 minus 20. 150 by 10. Nothing but number of children are 15 or not? Next question number 41. Two 5 by 9 means 23 by 9. 3 2 by 3 means 11 by 3. 28 1 by 2 means 57 by 2 or not? Any cancellations? 3 how many times? 19 or not? Any other calculation? No. But how many options are denominator 18? 2 options. First option and fifth option or not? Okay, verify the units position. 3 ones are how much? 3 into 9, 7, ending with 7 or not? Ending with 7. 8 sevens are how much in first option? 6. 6 plus 1, 7. But in fifth option, 8 5s are 40 plus 1, 41. Which one are satisfy the units position 7? Only first option or not? That is the answer. Next question number 42. First priority left hand side bracket value or not? Okay. 3 5 by 6 means first we are adding the integers. 3 plus 7, 10 plus or the LCM of 6 by 5 by 6 and 1 by 9. LCM value 18. 6 how many times? 3 times. 3 5s are 15. 9 how many times? 2 times. It is 15 plus 2, 17. 17 by 18 or not? 10, 17 by 18. 18 10 times how much? 180 plus 17. 197 by 18 into 1 by something or not? Into 1 by something. It is equal to 38 5 times how much? 190 plus 7. 197 by 38. Left hand side, right hand side. 197 cancel or not? Then something it is equal to 38 by 18 or not? 38 by 18 means 19 by 9. How many options? Only first option or not? Next question number 43. First one, 680 divided by 54 into how much value? 6. 6 almost 54 how many times? 9 times. 9 how many times? 68. 7 times or not? What is the remaining value? 50. 50 means 5 times. Again 6 times or not? Okay. 756 minus 746. 10 or not? 10 is added to which one? 142. Total it is 152. Next question number 44. 68% of 732 minus what percent of 564 equal to 260.88. First one, right hand side value is subtracted from which one? 68% of 732 or not? Okay. 68% of 732 2. What is the 50% value? 68% of 732 means 50%, 10%, 5% and 3% or not? Or else, what is the 50% value? 366. Again 10%, 73.2. Next again 5%, 36.6. Again how much percent we are adding? 3%. What is the 1%? 7.32. 3%, 21.96 or not? All these are adding or subtracting? Adding. First adding the last two digits. 20 plus 60, 80. 80 plus 76, 176 or not? 0.76. Carry value 1. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Next 36 plus 1, 37. Plus 7 means 44. 44 plus 5, 49. 497.76. Out of this one, how much value are subtracting? 260.88 or not? 176 minus 88. 88 or not? 176 minus 88. 88. What is the remaining value here? 6. 49 minus 26. 23. 236.88 is what percent of which value? 564. Converted to percentage or not? Okay. What is the units position? Numerator 8. Denominator 4. How many options are ending with either 2 or 7 or not? 4 2s are how much? 8. 4 7s are 28. How many options are ending with 2 or 7? 3 options or not? Okay. 564 double 1120. 1120 double 1120. Sorry, 1128 double 2256 means it is more than 40 times or less than 40 times? More than 40 times. Which option? 42. More than 40 times or less than 40 times? More than 40. Okay, sir. Next question number 45. 6 by 19 of what percent of 2508? It is equal to 27715. First one, 6 by 19 into something by 100 into 2508. It is equal to 277 1 by 5. First 5 into 200, 1000. 5 into 70, 350. Means 1350 or not? Next 5 7s are 35. Plus 1, 36 or not? Total it is 1386. Any cancellations? Directly 19 how many times? 2508. 19 ones are 19. What is the remaining value? 60. How many times? 3 times. What is the remaining value? 38. How many times? 2 times or not? Next 6 how many times? 138. 6 2s are again 2 times. Okay. 6 3s are again 1 time or not? Next, any other cancellations? 5. 5. 9. 231. Okay. 23,100. Okay. 231 divided by 5. 5 how many times? 100. 20 or not? Next 4 how many times? 5 times. 4 how many times? 3. 3 or not? Next 33 almost 7 times or not? Then question mark equal to 35. ఇప్పుడు మన వాళ్ళు వెతుకుతారు దాంట్లో 7 ఎక్కడ కనిపిస్తుందా అని. అంతేనా? 2508లో 7 కనిపిస్తుందా? 1386లో 7th టేబుల్ వచ్చి ఉండాలి కదా ఫస్ట్. కనిపిస్తుంది. 7 19s 7 8s. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 46. ఎగ్జామ్ మీరు రాసేది, నేను కాదు. అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నా. 6784.23 ఇంత పెద్దవాటికి లాస్ట్ 2 డేస్ వెరిఫై చేద్దామా? ఓకే. We required question mark value or not? Means right hand side values positives becomes it will be negatives or not? Means right hand side 2 values are negatives or positives? Negatives. Okay. First 23 plus 97. How much? 120. 120 minus 96 or not? 120 minus 96. Ending with 24 or not? How many options are ending with 24? Only 1. Verify the last 2 digits. We are getting 2 4. How many options? Only 1. Next 47. 6785 plus 1587 minus something equal to 325 into 17. First verify the units position. 5 plus 7 how much? 12. 12 minus something, it is equal to 5 into 7 or not? Okay. What is the left hand side units position? 2. 2 minus something, it is equal to 5 or not? Means something must be 7 or not? How many options are ending with 7? 4 options or not? How many options are ending with 7? 4 options or not? First right hand side value 17 into 325 or not? 17 300 5100. 17 20s 340. It is 5100. Next 17 5s are 85. Total it is 5 5 2 5 or not? 5525. Verify the last 2 digits. Okay. 85 plus 87. How much? 85 plus 87. 172. Out of 172 we are subtracting how much? 25. 172 minus 25. We are getting 7 4 or not? Ending with 4 7. How many options? 2 options or not? Okay. Last 2 digits are 47. Means this value are 68. 68 or 67? 68. 68 plus 15. 83. 83 minus 55. 28 or not? 28 4 7. 67 plus 15 how much? 82. 8372 minus 5525. 12 minus 5 7. 6 minus 2 4. 13 minus 5 8. 2847. Which option? Fifth one or not? Next question number 48. First 2 digits verification చేయడానికి కూడా 3 options కనిపిస్తున్నాయి కదా. Second option, fourth option and fifth option. 3 options kada. Next question number 48. Verify the last 3 digits or not? Verify the last 3 digits. What is the right? Left hand side negative value, it will become positive value or not? Next left hand side positive value, it will become negative value. Next left hand side positive value, it will become negative value or not? Okay. First 2 values are negative, third one is positive value or not? Okay. Then adding. What are the last 2 digits of every value? 39 plus 45. How much? 840 అన్నట్టు. 39 plus 450 how much? 390 plus 450 840 అన్నట్టు. Out of 840 we are subtracting how much? 040 అన్నట్టు. 040 means ending with 0.800 అన్నట్టు. How many options are ending with 0.800? 2 options అన్నట్టు. Next, verify the third digit. 6 plus 5 11 11 minus 3 11 minus 3 8 8 minus 4 4 అన్నట్టు. Ending with 4.8 again 2 options అన్నట్టు. Next, 9 plus 9 18 18 minus 6 12 12 minus 2 10 అన్నట్టు. Ending with 04 అన్నట్టు. 2 options అన్నట్టు. Next, 2 plus 8 10 10 minus 3 7 7 minus 7 0 1 nothing but 104. Again 104 means fifth option అన్నట్టు. 2104.8. ఫస్ట్ 3 డీస్ వెరిఫికేషన్ చేసిన 3 ఆప్షన్స్ కనిపిస్తున్నాయి. లాస్ట్ 3 డీస్ వెరిఫికేషన్ చేసిన 3 ఆప్షన్స్ కనిపిస్తున్నాయి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 49. ఫస్ట్ నెగటివ్ వాల్యూస్ బికమ్స్ పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూస్ అన్నాడు. లెఫ్ట్ టు రైట్ ఆర్ రైట్ టు లెఫ్ట్? లెఫ్ట్ టు రైట్. ఫస్ట్ యాడింగ్ ద 132 plus 268 how much? 132 plus 268 400 అన్నాడు. 0.48 and 0.13 0.61 అన్నాడు. 400.61. నెక్స్ట్ యాడింగ్ ద 69 plus 437 69 plus 437 506 అన్నాడు. 506 506 plus 0.44 plus 0.72 116 nothing but 1.16. Total it is how much? 507.16 అన్నాడు. Again it is added to which one? 60.12 అన్నాడు. Then adding the last position 1 plus 6 plus 2 9 అన్నాడు. How many options are ending with 9? 2 options. 6 plus 1 plus 1 8 ending with 8 9 only 1 option అన్నాడు. నెక్స్ట్ 50. ఫస్ట్ ప్రియారిటీ ఇంటీజర్స్ ఆర్ యాడింగ్ అన్నాడు. 3 plus 6 9 9 minus 2 7 7 minus 4 అన్నాడు. హౌ మచ్? 3. నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ ఆర్ యాడింగ్ ఆర్ సబ్ట్రాక్టింగ్. వాట్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్? 7/8. సెకండ్ వన్ 1/2. థర్డ్ వన్ -1/12. అండ్ ఫోర్త్ వన్ -13/24. వాట్ ద LCM? 24. 7/8 means 21. 1/2 12. 1/12 2. -13 or +13? -13. 12 minus 2 10. 10 minus 13 -3. 21 minus 3 18. 18/24 means 3/4 అన్నాడు. Then answer 3/4. Next question number 56. The line graph shows the number of textbooks of class 9th and class 10th distributes 4 different schools A, B, C, D. Class 9th and class 10th are given. Or the first question, out of the number of 10th class textbooks distributed by school B, if 70 textbooks were odd-bound, how many class 10th textbooks distributed by school B were not hard-bound? First of all, school B, which class? 10th class. 10th class, how many books total? 210. Out of 210, 70 are hard-bound. Obviously remaining 140 or not? What the answer? 140. Next question number 57. What is the average of 9th class textbooks distributed by all the schools together or not? First we are adding the 9th class all the values or not? 230 plus 190. 420. 420 plus 210. 630. 630 plus 200. 830 by 400. First 800 by 4 means 200. 30 by 4 means 7.500. What is the total answer? 207.5. Next 58 question. What is the number of textbooks distributed by school A, class 9th and 10th class together is what percent of school C? What is the A value? 9th class 250, 10th class 230. 250 plus 230 480 is what percent of school C or not? School C, what is the total value? 400 or not? 480 by 400, nothing but 120% or not? Next 59. Ratio between the total number of textbooks distributed by schools A and C together and those distributed by schools B and D together or not? What is the A total value? 480. Next C total value 400. Total it is 880 or not? Next school B total value 400. School D total value 380. What is the total value? 780 or not? We required ratio between 880 and 780. Zeros are cancelled 2 how many times? 44 and 39. 44 is to 39. Second option or not? Next question number 16. What is the difference between the total number of textbooks distributed by school B in 10th class and school C in 9th class together and number of textbooks distributed by school B in 9th class and C in 10th class? First, what is the B value in 10th class? 210. C value in 9th class? 210. 210 plus 210? 420. Next, B value in 9th class? 190. C value in 10th class? 190. 190 plus 190? 380. We required difference. How much? 40 or not? Next question number 61. Approximations or not? First one, 420 divided by 7. How much? 60. Minus 16 into 15 or not? What is the 16 into 15? 240 or not? Plus cube root of 64. 4 or not? First 60 minus 240. Minus 180 or not? Minus 180 plus 4. Minus 176. Next 62. What is the 28 square? 784. Out of this one, how much value are subtracting? 9. What is the remaining value? 775. It is divided by which one? 20 or not? Okay. 20 40 is how much? 800. Definitely it will be less than 40 times or not? What is the nearby value? 39. Next question number 63. First priority 30% of 4,000 or not? What is the 30% of 4,000? 1200. Square root of 144? 12. It is equal to 650 plus something or not? First, what is the difference between 1200 and 650? 550 or not? 550 plus 12. How much? 562. Next 64. First priority 185 into how much? 7 plus 120 into 8 or not? 128 times 960 or not? Okay. First 185 into 7. 7 into 100. 700. 7 into 80. 560. 7 5s are 35. What are the last two digits? 55 or not? Carry value 1. 9 plus 7, 16 plus 5, 21 plus 1, 22. Third option. వెరిఫికేషన్ చేయడానికి సింప్లిఫికేషన్స్ కాదు, అప్రాక్సిమేషన్స్. ఎగ్జాక్ట్ వాల్యూ కదా కావాల్సింది. అసలు రాసేదే అప్రాక్సిమేట్ రాస్తున్నాము, మళ్ళీ దానికి కూడా యూనిట్స్ పొజిషన్ వెరిఫికేషన్ చేస్తే రాంగ్ కదా. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 65. ఫస్ట్ ప్రియారిటీ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ 41 square. What is the 41 square? 1681. Okay. What is the left hand side? 10 cube or not? 10 cube means 1000. 1000 are subtracting or adding? Subtracting. What is the remaining value? 681. In this one, how much value are subtracting? 55. What is the remaining value? 600. 626. It is nearby square of 25. Okay. Thank you.